Login problems on the Arro card app usually come from session errors, incorrect credentials, or temporary server issues, not from your account being permanently blocked. By the end, you'll know why Arro login fails, how to fix it step by step, and how to tell the difference between a device issue and a server issue. Start with the simplest cause. Incorrect email or password is the most common reason login fails across fintech apps. Even small typing errors matter. A single wrong character or an old saved password can block access completely. If you're unsure, reset your password instead of trying multiple logins. Now look at session problems. Apps like Arro often log users out after updates or security checks. That means your old session token is no longer valid, even if your password is correct. In that case, closing the app fully and reopening it can refresh the login process. Next issue is outdated app versions. If the app hasn't been updated, it may not match the current login system on their servers. Updating the app ensures your login screen is synced with the latest version of their system. Now check network issues. A weak internet connection can stop login requests from reaching the server. This often shows up as endless loading, error messages, or login loops. Switching networks or restarting your connection usually fixes it quickly. Another common issue is server downtime. If Arro's servers are temporarily down, no login attempt will work, even with correct credentials. In that situation, the only option is waiting until service is restored. Now look at device-level issues. Corrupted cache data can interfere with login authentication. Clearing app cache or reinstalling the app resets stored data and often fixes persistent login errors. Here is the step-by-step fix order. First, double-check your email and password. Second, reset your password if needed. Third, close and reopen the app. Fourth, update the app. Fifth, check your internet connection. Sixth, clear cache or reinstall the app. One important mistake is repeatedly trying to log in without resetting anything. That can sometimes trigger additional security checks or temporary lockouts. So the key is to fix the root cause instead of retrying the same login over and over. Quick recap. Most login issues come from wrong credentials, outdated sessions, network problems, or cached data. Server issues are less common, but possible. Next step is simple. Go through the fix list in order and stop once login works, instead of guessing randomly. Like and subscribe for more simple fixes for fintech apps and credit tools without the confusion.